Okay, we're recording. All right, we are here, Girl Scouts. We're riding horses. We are riding horses. We're riding horses. So, here are my Girl Scouts. Look at my Girl Scouts. Look at my Girl Scouts. Wave. Wave.
Look at the horse.
Okay, I'm going to look at the horse. Horse. Yeah, they kick. I'm going to stand back. Look at it. Look. We're riding horses. We probably will get wet. You're lucky this is not scratch and sniff because it smells like I shouldn't be here. It smells bad. It smells really bad. All the horsies. It's a big guy right here. Is it a guy? I don't really want to find out if it's a guy or not. I'm not gonna look.
We're just saying it's a horse.
I don't know if it's a guy though. And more people. They're all on the trip with us. Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
Look at the dog.
There's a dog. Oh, and the dog. He's chilling. Alrighty. Well, to be continued when we get out there.